Tired of waiting for your computer to finish processing your data? Wish you could analyze greater quantities, finding more insights over longer periods of time? GenevaERS' single-pass optimization has reduced processing by thousands of times for some of the largest organizations in the world, because reading data from disk to memory is thousands of times slower than accessing memory. GenevaERS automatically performs many analysis while the data is in memory. Using it is simple. Decide what you want to see in the workbench, list your files, input and output in the Performance Engine script, run the Performance Engine process. GenevaERS will select all the outputs to be produced in the single process, generate highly efficient machine code to do the work, read the input files using parallel processes, resolve all the processes in one read of the data. GenevaERS efficiently uses the small amount of memory you have in relation to the large data files. Additionally, GenevaERS is incredibly efficient at join processing, including effective date joins, virtual process piping, eliminating the time to write to disk for intermediate steps, and highly customizable at multiple API points. Why is GenevaERS' single pass so efficient? Consider what is required for a typical analysis program. Read the data, do any joins, perform logic, and write selected outputs. All GenevaERS processes utilize the same data reads and lookup processing. The greater the number of processes GenevaERS runs, the greater the efficiencies. When combined with GenevaERS' machine code generation and parallel processing, the performance is unbeatable. A recent process required less than 1 minute of elapsed time, 13 seconds of CPU time, to scan 500 million records, write 65 million records for 5 processes, and perform 60 million joins. GenevaERS runs on the z/OS operating system. Download the system from GenevaERS.org.